Well, I don't like the way the sun makes my face squinch up, but here we go. I don't know if this is going to be a rant or what, but I got some news. So the news is, at my age, can you imagine, I've been hired. I've been hired by a company. It's paying me about the same thing as I was getting paid before, except no benefits, which doesn't really bother me because I have D&D. I was in the military, so I still have the military benefits. Although I don't mind having 2 benefits, because then you can double dip. But anyway, couldn't believe my luck. I was putting in resumes and applications because unemployment insurance encourages that sort of thing. And then bang, I get a phone call and they want me to start like right away. Now here's where the headache comes in. You would think that, okay, so 11, 12 years ago, I got a mortgage to get this house here. Well, stuff's changed. A lot of stuff's changed. When I sold the house before, I didn't have to make the house ready for showing. There was no showing. Unbelievable. And now it's all about the showing. Ay, ay, ay. I can't even list my home until it's ready for showing. So I've got a sea container in my driveway and we're loading it up, and the 2 of us, we're not young, so we're putting everything we can into the sea container, which they're going to deliver to our new home, wherever that might be. And I'm not complaining. It's good. I want to move. I want to move back to where we're moving to, because we're moving back to where our family is, and we'll be able to be with the grandkids and the kids, and it'll be great. But it is tough when you're our age to lifting everything and boxing everything. Some of the other big headaches are when you go to get a mortgage. That's changed. Used to be, all you had to do was show a letter that you got the job and ready to go. Not anymore. Oh, now they want T4 slips, T1s. Oh my God, assessments from CRA, the tax people. They want so much crap. Unbelievable. So, I got all that sent in today. This is after the bank said, yeah, you're pre-approved and we'll bridge you and all that stuff. It's no big deal. Then you get an email that says, no, we can't do that. I gotta check on my boss. Bunch of people nowadays, I'm telling you. And now for some reason, the bank says that you gotta have enough money, income, so if the interest rate's like double, you can handle it. Well, how do they know? Unless they're fixing that to happen. So this whole showing of a house there, that's a real pain in the arse. And I've got a lot of packing to do, a lot of moving around to do. We're trying to sell as much stuff as we can. Probably end up giving a lot of it away. I know my wife's cooking like crazy right now because we just gave away our freezer, and she's got to get rid of all the berries and stuff. So we're doing that right now, getting rid of the berries. She's cooking up some jams and stuff, probably make some pies. Pretty cool. And all the meat. Well, we're not meat eaters. We found meat that's been in the freezer since 10 years ago. 10-year-old steaks. That's what our Maggie May right there, our dog, our Scotty's going to be eating. And a lot of hamburger. Boy, we got 2 big platters of shrimp. I don't know what to do with those. Okay, so we still got to find a house. That's been a headache. Driving back and forth. That's like 2.5, 3 hours away. Trying to figure out what are we going to do for a home. Now we're not even allowed to really find a home until somebody says they want to buy our home. Can you imagine that? You know, in our neighborhood here, houses take like 2 weeks to sell. And they're giving me a hard time like that. That's incredible. But where we're moving to, the houses aren't selling so quick. And that's okay. So, anyway, walking the dog, and I don't know, ever since we got this new post lady, she doesn't look too bright. She keeps delivering everybody's mail to the wrong houses. And how hard is it? I've seen her open up the mailbox. You open the big mailbox and there's everybody's addresses right there on each box. Even, like, I'd understand if the letters that were being delivered to the wrong houses were handwritten. She can't read their handwriting. You know, but they're not. They're always bills, typed up, window mail. Oh well. So, back with the moving. Since I'm going to be starting next week, and the house isn't even ready for sale, I have to go live in my camper. So we're lucky that we have a relative that's allowing us to stay in their farm for a while, giving me a time limit, 3 weeks. So then we got to move to some sort of campground or something. I don't know. But there's a lot to do, and she's going to be alone doing it, because I won't be here. That's going to be tough, especially since we want the house ready for sale. Which is crazy. I think the first person that thought of doing that, they should have slapped them silly. Because, oh my God, does it create a lot of work for you. But I guess in the end, it'll save us money. Because we'll be able to pay the movers a lot less, because we'll have a lot less to move. Right? Everything will be in that sea container. And it's not easy. There's a lot of loose stuff in there. Trying to keep all the weights down to the ground as we can, and try to even it out best that we can. But you know, we're gonna make it through this. I guess I was happy retired or working again, but since this job is going to be so cool, we're going to be doing really cool work. Really cool software. We're going to be doing stuff that I've always wanted to do. I love doing this work. So, it'll be cool. So just for fun, I wrote an email to my wife's old job, because we're moving back to where we were. And oddly enough, they want her to work there again. How cool is that? So she's got a job waiting too. Wow. Well, I'm done. I'm at the mailbox. So I'll see you guys later. And please, if you like, hit the like button and subscribe. And check out my stuff. I got a lot of cool things that you could use if you live in a house like I do and just trying to get by. Okay? Bye for now.